Twinson introduces the premium Twinson Cladding. Made of the versatile Twinson material, this unique wall cladding concept offers the natural warmth of real wood together with the ease of maintenance and sustainability of PVC. Installation is easy and can be done by one person. Twinson is very easy to work with using standard tools. On the surface, which preferably includes insulating material, a wooden frame is first installed. A double slat is attached at the corners. This is also done at the ends of the cladding. After the wood and framework is in place, actual installation can begin. Twinson has developed a unique aluminium trim set and patented attachment clips that make the installation intuitive and easy. The aluminium profiles are screwed to the wooden frame. First the starting profile and then the corner and cross profiles. Screw heads are always fully countersunk. Installation of the cladding elements can then begin. Installation is easy and quick thanks to the tooth and groove system. The plank is attached and blocked using the specially designed patented clips. In this way the entire wall can be further constructed in no time. Because the cladding elements are largely made of natural material, play is always foreseen on both sides of the plank. The last plank is sawn to size. Sawing Twinson is as easy as sawing wood, and the planks are completely splinter-free. Once this top plank is attached to the end section, the new facade is almost ready. A final finishing trim at the side completes and perfects the installation. The planks are available in lengths of 3 and 6 meters. To attach the planks to one another at the ends, a special connector is foreseen that ensures the right amount of space for expansion. Here again, easy to install finishing trims are foreseen for the ends, in this case an outer corner. Often a window or door stands in the way of the easy installation of outdoor wall cladding. Not so with premium Twinson cladding. Special practical solutions are also foreseen for installation around windows and doors. The cladding elements slide easily into the aluminium side profile. The top profile allows for proper ventilation. Now the entire wall can be completed. It's first edged with a top profile and finally foreseen with inside corner finishing. This entire installation procedure can also be applied to the vertical installation of cladding elements. Ventilation profiles ensure continuous airflow behind the cladding elements at the top and bottom of the facade. This keeps the underlying insulation and facades safe and dry. Thus, with Twinson Premium Cladding, you are assured of style and reliability for years to come.